Day one, thanks for joining us here in the charts. Tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow compadres speaking. Dogecoin is near a critical level. It's actually near a critical range that I wanted to stop in very quickly to let you all know that the 1-day candles and the 12-hour candles must stay above this range in order to prevent any more downwards pressure. So let's just get right into it. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, consider joining us. Please do your fundamental research before we get into the price action only, because that's what we're going over. Thank you. So let's dive right into this critical range in the Dogecoin chart here, shall we? All right, so today's May the 12th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 44 cents. It's down approximately 9.8% for the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR Interesting Analysis. Hopefully you guys are doing well out there and executing your strategies. Here's the critical range. Simple. Okay, so what you're looking at is critical range, obviously. And the just below the white line here is going to be 36 cents. And the line just over that one is going to be 41 cents. Now, this is a very critical range for Dogecoin, because if it just so happens to stay above this range, do some sort of lengthy consolidating sideways, that would be the perfect case scenario in order for me to understand the story in the bullish case that it will continue the momentum to the upside. Now, on the flip side, if Dogecoin just so happens, my voice is kind of crinkly there, you hear that? If Dogecoin just so happens to break below this level and stay below this level, now that would be an interesting sign that we would really need to consider what is going on in the market. Okay, so just the one level there at 36 cents, like if you see any close below, you'd have to pull up your charts, guys, tradingview.com. If you get any closes, 12 hours or daily candles below that level, then yeah, we truly need to understand what is going on here, because things would really take an interesting shift. And I guess there would be an immense amount of buying opportunities going on, or, you know, you definitely should understand that the market may be in preparation to take a shift, basically. So the uptrend is perfectly intact. Let me just close this video and let you guys know, at the worst case scenario, and I would only want this to resolve in a wick only. Okay, and remember, I'm just specializing in the story, okay? Would be this level down here. These are daily candles, by the way. This area down here is the practical lowest point, the higher low in the chart. Okay, and here on the channel, if you're new, we only go over support, resistance, and patterns. We find higher highs and higher lows to verify an uptrend. And we just verified the higher low in the chart, which is at worst case scenario, 25 cents. Not saying it's going to get that low, but understand that if the market does continue to have a drawdown, the buyers are trying to make a lower low lower than 25 cents. Okay, but if the buyers are able to stop out the sellers from making those extreme lows, at the worst case practical, safe to say that everything should be just fine in my book would be the 28 cent level. I know it's like 3 pennies off, but it's just a unique way that I look at the charts, guys, and that would have to result in a very short, very brief consolidator phase, and then it has to get back above this critical range to continue higher. I'm well ahead of myself with the lower targets. I just wanted to point out the critical range. We've already gone over that. In the worst case scenario, the higher low in the grand aspect of things is 25 cents. So I definitely don't want to leave you guys out with a million levels. Just remember the critical range. We'll revisit the charts if it's getting below that level, and just take it from there. So really, you only have to leave out on this video with one level, 41 cents, right? Because it's just above that level and it hasn't compromised it just yet. Again, not guaranteed it will. Be open to it going below that level, because you have a strategy before you enter, right? Yes, that's required if you are a part of the family here. So let's cut it out here. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully this was useful. Hopefully you have the critical range. If the market is still red and you see the red screen and it's not below 41 cents, everything's just fine, guys. There's nothing to lose your shirt over. Dogecoin is above the most recent resistance level, and it's just simply finding support at the previous level of resistance, 41 cents. Super simple, guys. All right, let's cut it out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video, and if you enjoy the content, and leave a comment, because that helps the channel, because the YouTube algorithm picks up on that. Thank you for your support. Also, if you're new, I'd like to offer you more information on the traditional stocks. We go over that 7 days a week. We'd love for you to join us here on this interesting journey and join the family. Welcome. So that's it, guys. Remember to execute your strategies out there in the market. Okay, it's getting really volatile, and that's how you would protect your portfolio. Okay, we'll talk soon. and bye for now.